Hello, this is Victor at Mercedes.com. This video is for Mr. Barbish in Louisiana, and this is the SL500 throttle body that I repaired. The wires were really bad, so hopefully the e-gas module has survived, because those are severe shorts that were found in this unit all the way throughout. So hopefully e-gas is okay, sir. So I don't know, we'll see. But obviously, first things first, throttle has to be in working condition. So, and this is what I've done. The throttle is working properly at this moment. Now, it's been on the bench test for, as usual, like about 10-15 hours, and it was over the weekend. So, but I had another unit before this one. So, again, I'm making this video with another camera, so I don't know, the quality of the video is a little different from usual quality. So here is the temperature. As you can see, it's hitting 90s, okay, whereas that's, let's say this is the cold unit. See, it's at 63 and battery is just about dead. Well, anyway, it hits 90, so it's been on the bench for quite a long time. I haven't put bolts in yet, because after the bench test I take them apart, blow off residuals, and put it back together. Okay, next, activation. The actual linkage is nice, very smooth and very light. That's good, that's important. So the plate was readjusted a little bit because it was hitting the case, as you can see right there. I don't know, for some reason with age they tend to shift. Surprising to me, but that's, many of them do. So I put it back so it's not touching anymore. Here is the overall look. Again, the cover is not installed. I just put it on so I have something. This is how it cleaned off well, and underneath the unit, this is how it looks. A little bit of pitting on the case, but that's nothing to worry about. That's just nothing. It's still nice and polished. Okay, so that was the look. The next thing is we'll look at readings, see what our readings are. 4.24, 4.25, very nice. 0.51, right in the range, in the middle of the range, very good. And obviously when you activate it, then we have reading change, 409, 263, 3.33, so that's perfect. Micro switches also react. As we can see, micro switches became from on off to off on. That's perfect. This is wide open throttle, so we have a readout there, no questions here. Idle, micro switches switch positioning, and voltage goes back to our proper voltage. So this is where we are, and this is basically all. Again, this is just to show the unit before it is mailed back to a customer, and I just usually put a little tape over the sticker, so when I wash the unit, it does not wash off numbers and production date and all that. I do it on most units, like this one for example too. As you can see, it's nice and readable. Okay, so this is going to be all, and it's ready to go. This is Victor at Mercedes.com. Thank you for watching.